Welcome. Today I will do again 3 more exercise questions for pin jointed plane frames with 2 hinged supports. Exercise question 86, question 87 here, 88 here, not clearly written. Okay, question 88 below. Question 88. Okay, now if you remember last time we considered pin jointed plane frames with the 2 hinged support where, see, hinged supports are here. Frame was vertically up, going up. Now it is going horizontally. See, I already told you, see, first I told something in the class. This is told repeatedly. This is not fixed. If they give this way, means this is pinned. See here, pinned. This is also pinned or hinged. This is not a member. So here the frame is going to right side of the 2 hinges. Next, this question, see here, 2 pinned supports given here, A and B. Frame is going to left side here. Once again, frame is going to right side here. This is a little lengthy question. Little lengthy, not all that lengthy. Okay, reasonable. One question, master question. Then, this is little small question. This is also little small. This is not clear here how much it tends. I think it is 2 meter. Okay, 2 meter. Okay. Now, this question, if I complete, sufficient for 2 pinned supports. Plenty of questions are solved. Now see, exercise question. Method of joint also exercise. Now, method of section also exercise. But steps I will give you. Or I will briefly explain for your benefit. Okay, start. Then, again I told, this is the last time I am telling, in case of 2 pin jointed plane frame with the 2 pinned support reactions need not be calculated. Consider other side. See, method of joint, start from other side. Here also, see, here, start from that side. Here, start from this side. Here, start from that side. Last time question, start from upper side. And in method of sections, when you consider a section, again look other side where supports are not there. So support reaction not required. But those who got capacity, support reaction can be calculated. I told people will tell 4 reactions are there, 4 reactions are not there, only 3 reactions, because 2 pinned support with only 1 member connected to 1 hinge and no member connected to the 2 hinges. This all I told earlier. So that you go through earlier and understand. So time being 99, not visible fully. Okay, 99. See, even this question, see, I already calculated reactions. How I found the reaction? Already told earlier, but you never bother. I found these reactions only for checking purpose. Once I start from here, finally when I come here, result to be 100% correct, for my safety, I found the reactions. Okay, you never bother. Green color value, you never bother. Okay, now, see here. You take this theta, theta, theta. All thetas are equal. Tan theta equal to 4 by 3. See, 4 by 3, 4 by 3, 4 by 3. It will come 53.130 degrees or 13 degrees. Make a note. Okay, then start enjoying. I will do first question in front of you. Why? Not to show I know how to solve directly. One question I will do in front of you. Next 2 questions are too simple. To save the time, once I finish this question completely, before I come to recording, I will enter the answer also there. Okay, now start. How I do? You know it directly using calculator. Okay. See, start from joint D. After D, go to E, then C, then F, then D. Over. And one more thing, all values are in kilonewton. Okay, red color values. See, such questions, I always set the question so that decimals are avoided if possible. That is for my benefit. You will get decimal. Don't think decimal will not come. So easy, see, writing 11.485. I prefer round number. Round number or decimal, answer is answer only. Okay. The correct answer 12 by 0.8 is 15 into 0.6 is 9 plus another 20, 29. Okay. See how fluently answer can be done. There is nothing here. 29. Come here. Sigma h. Okay. 15 into 0.8. 12 plus another 80. 30. 30 kilonewton. 15 into 0.6 plus another 30. 39. Okay, 39. I checked by sections. Okay, then go to this joint. 30 plus 30, 60. 60 divided by 0.8. 75. See? So easily answer will come. If you develop the concept and understand and correctly follow the principles of one fine day, you can also do this way into 0.6 plus 29. 74. See, exercise questions. Come here. 75 into 0.8 plus another 15. 75. Yes, correct. Okay, 75. 75. And then here this force. 75 into 0.6 plus 39. 84. Come to this joint. 75 plus 24 divided by 0.8. 123.75. Into 0.6 plus another 74. 148.25. You can see here, see, equilibrium is beautifully balanced. See here, 148.25. See here, green color value. I wrote long back, 148. For this purpose only, I calculated. You need not bother because I do not want you wrong answer. Okay, now here, I will check the values. 123.75 into 0.6 is plus another 84 is 158.25. Beautifully tallying. 123.75 into 0.8. 99. Perfectly tally. Over. Now, nobody in the world can tell these answers are wrong. It is guaranteed. Over. So, exercise question. I told D, E, C, F, B. That way solve and get the answer. Okay, now. See now, question is, see, I forgot to tell. All three questions. Question is what? Find axial forces in all members by method of joints. Okay. Question 86, we finished now. What we finished? I finished. You have to still finish it. Then also verify results for members BC, BF and FG. See here. BC here. Or here. BC, BF. This member. See. BF and FG. These three members. By method of sections. I forgot right here again. Verify the process. Or forgot here now. 88. See. Okay. See 10 right here. By method of sections. I think space is there. I have to verify the camera once. By method of sections. Okay. I think no problem. Still I am verifying it. Yes, beautifully visible. By method of sections. Over. For question number 86, they want to check for. See, this is to save the time. Instead of writing every question, what to do? Common writing. BC. So what to do? see, second part, to verify results for members BC, then BF, see, BC, BF and CB. See, light line, I should not tell, black I will show, light line. Cut these three members, light line. But you should write one more sketch, not here. So or this way, see, this way cut. Consider section XX, cut these all told for you. Cutting above three members. Consider equilibrium of pin jointed plane frame to right. You have to consider right because if you look left side, reactions are required. Someone will tell, sir, reactions are there. Where? It is I calculated. I told you need not calculate. So when both supports are hinges, you consider always other side. So therefore look that side. See, C, D, E, C, D, E, F intact. Height 4, 3 and 3. Then see, since you are verifying the answer, what you do? See, from C, a force goes this way. You know the answer. See, you are writing what? From left side. From C, a force goes this way. So, since you know the answer, you mark the same way. See, PCB. Your PCB has to come 74. Then see, here, from F, it is going up. Show up. Here, this force. To the F, it is coming to the joint here. Since you are verifying the answer, suppose it is an independent question, what I told you, take away, take outward, take outward. Okay, now, time has come not to write everything. Three unknown forces. Among the three unknown, two unknowns are meeting at F. So, take moment about F. Okay, start. Minus PCB into 4 plus 30 into 3 plus 18 into 3. This 30 into 0 plus 12 into 6 plus 20 into 4 equal to 0. Show the calculation. You will get the value of PCB. 74 kilometer plus. Oh, beautifully tallying. See, 74 kilometer. Some will tell, sir, cheating, sir. What cheating? Sir, you are not calculated, sir. You know the answer there and you wrote. Yes, I am solving. I told the steps. When I know that answer is 74 plus, why should I calculate? If I calculate, that means I don't have confidence in myself only. Okay, but you don't do it. If you also do that way, then it is not called check. Okay, now sigma V0 take upward positive plus PFB minus 30 minus 12 minus 18 minus 15 0. PFB will come plus 75. This you can check also, correct? Huh? Yes, 75. Okay, plus 75 kilonewton. Then sigma H equal to 0. Take right side positive. Minus PCB plus PFG. This is not there. Plus 20 minus 30 0. By this time, you know the value of PCB. Substitute, you get the value of PFG. I will calculate. Plus 84 kilonewton. Plus 84 kilonewton. Okay, now one statement required. Then tell 100% correct. We got positive sign for all the unknown forces here because we considered the unknown forces in the same direction as we got by method of joint. And we are verifying method of joint. If the answer has to be verified or to be proved correct, when you consider direction, positive sign should come. It indicates that these directions are correct. Okay, then, so all correct. Number 74, see, 74. 75, 75. 84, 84, right? Perfectly tallying, 100%. This also over. This is question number 86 over. Now do one thing to save the time. See, for this question I solved in front of you. 100% it is not for show off. Some will tell this person is doing in front of us to show that what capacity you got. 1 minute. It is not for show off, but one thing. I want you to know what capacity I have got, so that it will give inspiration to you. You should think, when this person can do so fluently without any confusion, looking at the frame, just doing this way and giving the answer, no direction confusion, nothing, sign, cos, nothing bothered. When he can do that one, why can't we also study, understand, and one fine day, if possible, what, go and match him, or at least go very near to him? That should be your what I can call your motto, or that is what you should think. If you think that way, then my purpose is served. I will tell one thing. After all, one equilibrium. I can do so many complicated cases. Later, wait. We will go to strength of materials, SFD, BMD, or any chapter, moment of amendment already over. Go to indeterminate structure. See how fluently I will give the answer, where you may take 30, 40 minutes to solve. Some of the questions I will solve in just 2-3 minutes. Therefore, it is not for showing you my capacity. Those who come to my class, they know my capacity. But only to inspire you, to see that you also start thinking, I want to learn. That's why I solve in front of you. 100%, not for any show off. Okay. Now, I will go to question number 87 and 88. Okay, start now. Question 87. See, all same thing. See, two hinges are there. But to show more correctly, I will show hinge like this. See, even if it's just a pin given, it means hinge only. See, sometimes they can tell this way hinge, or they can tell hinge this way. They can tell hinge this way. Anyway, it does not matter. Or even they can tell, see, they may show it like a fixed here, then see, one hinge here. All same. Okay, now see, here this question. See, this angle you have to calculate. See, 2.843, you write neatly. This tan theta equal to 3 by 2.8, 46.975 degrees. Here tan theta equal to 3 divided by 4 is 36.87 degrees. Okay, now, ready. See, I wrote the reaction there. Now you should start from this joint. Oh, I told before recording, I will enter the answer. I forgot it. Habit is what? Usually I solve in front of you. So that habit, where is the calculator? Here. Because of the habit, I forgot. Okay, I will do in front of you. No problem. Start from E. 24 divided by sine 46.975. 32.829. Now decimals are coming. What to do? So when you go to last, some point not error will come here or there. That is not a problem. 32.829. 829. All values are in kilonewton. Red color values. Into cos 46.975. 22.4. See? What is this? What I am also. Okay. Habit 22.4. 22.3999 came 22.4. I'll go to joint C. That is 32.829 into sine 46.975. That is actually 24 plus 60. 84. Horizontally. 32.829 into cos of 46.975. 22.4. 22.4. Lastly, come to this joint. 84 plus 30 divided by 0.6. 190 this way. Round number 190. 190 into 0.6 is 114. 114 this way plus another 22.4 is 137. 190 into 0.8. Oh, sorry, 0.8. Okay. Plus 22.4. 174.4. 174.4. See now. So beautifully tallying. This is my number. You need not bother here. See, 190 vertical component is 190 into sin theta is 140. Beautiful. 190 into horizontal component cos theta plus another 22.4 is 170. Oh, perfect. Over. Now 100% result correct. Okay, now start. To verify the results for member, which one? See, AC, see here. Then AC, AD, correct. See, this member, and lastly BD, this member. So, light line cut here. Cut section XX, light line. You show one more sketch. Consider section XX cutting above three members. But remember, consider equilibrium to not right side. If you look right side, you can see, you have to find the reactions. Reactions I found, you are not finding. So, look left side. See, I wrote, why left? I told in the class. So, these joints are intact. See here. Now, since you are looking left side, this force, you know it is like this. P for CA. See, and this force, you know it is like this. P for DA. See, you know it is like this. P for DA. This force, left side, see, you know it is coming here. This way. You consider whatever answer you got. Okay, now over. Among the three unknowns, see, this is 2.8, this is 3 meter. For this member, angle is 36.87. Take, see, among the three unknowns, two unknowns are meeting at D. Take moment about D, see here. Plus PCA into 3, then this into 0, minus 24 into 2.8 equal to 0. PCA will come, I guarantees, plus 22.4 kilonewton. Sigma V0, minus 24, minus 30, minus 60, these are not there, plus PDA, sin 36.870, PDA will come, plus, I will calculate, okay, I will calculate. Oh yes, it is plus 190 kilonewton, not calculating, just for fun. Sigma H0, minus PDB, plus PDA cos of this angle, plus PCA, no other force is there, equal to 0. You know the value of PDA, you know the value of PCA, substitute that one, you get PDB. PDB will come 174.4. 4 kilonewton. Okay. Make a statement. Yes, all positive means what direction we got for the joint towards the joints perfectly matching, and numerical also 22.4 here, 190 here, 190, 174.4. Some will tell, sir, where you calculated, you copied. No, I calculated, but I need not see. When I did this way, I calculated. Okay, over. Now, last question, that is question number 88 needs little attention. Be careful. This type of question we have solved earlier. Little attention. So, I will rub the full board, and 88 question I will maintain here. Solution, I want it more space because little concept is there. Okay, I will write it. For question number 88, even though it is an exercise question, I will give little information for you. See, angles for inclined members. See, there is one inclined member here, one inclined member here, one more inclined member there. Now, see, this is 2.8. You should make a note. In absence of data, see, it is not given what is this height and this height. Long back, I did a question where this height and this height are not same. But usually, people will not give that way. When there is complications, not complications, when some little trigonometric part is there, it will be given simple exercise question. So make a note. See, this is 2 meter, 2 meter, 2, 2. This full is 2.8. When full is 2.8, understood, this is 1.4, this is 1.4. Therefore, see here, this member AC makes angle theta 1, this member EC theta 2. See, tan theta 1 equal to this side, how much here? 1.4 divided by 4. See here, tan theta 1 equal to 1.4 divided by 4. That will give you theta 1 19.29 degrees. Same way, see, for this member, tan theta 2 equal to once again 1.4 by 4. So theta 2 equal to theta 1. So for this member and this member, angle is same 19.29 degree with horizontal. Okay, now come to this member. Little calculation. See, BE member. See, BE member. BE. You project this slight line here. See, with the horizontal, we want the angle. Project it. Let that point be B dash. Let it be B dash. Now, this is for this inclined member, angle with horizontal. See here. This length is 2 meter. 2. Now we want height from here to here. See, this is 1.4. This is how much? When this is 1.4, this is half of 1.4. See, alright here now, it is to be more clear. See, this height E to B dash is 1.4 plus another half of 1.4. Why half of 1.4? That is, it will become 2.1 meter. Why that way? Because see, when this is midpoint of this line, it is a mathematical rule. This is midpoint of this line. It is a mathematical rule. Okay, therefore, see here, this height is 1.4 plus half of 1.4 is 2.1. Baseline is 2. So tan theta 3 for this member, angle is 2.1 by 2, 46.397 degrees is the answer. This is extra information. Okay, now I will go for this time. I will write the answer. I don't want to waste time. First, you calculate axial forces by method of joint, then verify the result for some members by method of sections. 1 minute. Okay, now this I wrote it just to note down the answer. I thought of rubbing all this. Okay, leave it. See, now calculation of axial forces in all members by method of joint. Put the frame, this frame. See, this member angle is 19.29. This member also angle 19.29. For this member 46.397 degrees. Actually, if this question is asked for me to solve, I will not find this angle. First of all, I will tell you what I will do. Lastly, I will tell, if this question comes to me, if somebody gives this question for me to solve, I will solve it within 10 seconds. I will tell you later. Not now. Leave it. Now you solve systematically. Go and try. Okay, start. First, start from joint C. See, two unknowns are there. Solve P for CB, P for CD. It is done more than 1000 times. Get the answer. After C, see this force is known. Come to joint D. Force for DE, force for DB. Force for DE will come same. This will come 0. See, 3 force rule. 3 forces of which 2 are collinear, that is 0. Okay, get it. Then come to B. When you come to B, I forgot to enter the answer here. You get this answer. 45.406 and 0 will come here. Yes, question is over. Simple question. See, now, I got a reaction. Oh, so beautifully tallying. This reaction I got in the beginning only. See, but this green color value is not required for you unless you got a capacity to do it. So, tallying. Here, see, this 45.406, its vertical component is down 15, up 15 reaction. Yes. Its horizontal component is 42.857. Yes, beautifully tally. Over. This question over. Now, lastly I will tell you how I will solve in within 10 seconds. See here. To verify the results for members BC, see here, this member BC, then which one? B, see the question here, BC, BD and other one is DE. Yes, DE, this member. See, show a cut here. Show a cut here. Consider equilibrium to right side. Why right side? To right of XX. Why right? Other side. Don't see this side. Okay. See. C intact, D intact. Here, since you want to force chucking this force here to the joint C, see, it is like this. See, you know the answer here. This cut member is from C, PCB like this. Here, 0 came, so take whatever you want. Here, this member to the joint D going this way. Okay. Now, for this member, angle 19.29. For this member also, angle 19.29. Now, start. Among the 3 unknowns, 2 unknowns are meeting at the point D. So, sigma m about D equal to 0. Take clockwise positive. Now, I should not explain. See, when you take moment about D, PDB into 0, PDE into 0, but PCB into perpendicular distance. You have to struggle. You know, actually, earlier classes all I told how to get a perpendicular, but it will be unnecessary complication. So what you do? This PCB passes through any point. See, that point you resolve into components. See, here, this is sine, this is cos. Then, if you take moment about D, see here, this force PCB, unknown force, PCB into cos of, how much? Cos of 19.29 is this component into 1.4. See here, it is anti-clockwise, so minus. Then, vertical component, again it is anti-clockwise, minus PCB into sine of 19.29 into, see, horizontal component into 1.4, vertical component into 2, lastly plus 30 into 2 equal to 0. This time, no cheating. I will really calculate PCB. No cheating this time. No cheating means what? Really I will calculate. See, cos 19.29 into 1.4. Oh, something happened there. My calculator 1.4 plus sine 19.29 into 2. That answer reciprocal into 60. Something happened there. Something wrong. See, something is wrong. PCB cos. 1 minute. 1.4 into cos 19.29 equal to plus 2 into sine 19.29 is 1.98. 1.98 means it comes how much answer? 45. Something wrong. Reciprocal equal to into 4 is how much? 4 is 30 into 30 into 2. 30.27. Something wrong. See, something is seriously wrong. I don't know where something wrong. Something is seriously wrong. It is not possible. This result is guaranteed. See, I tell the answer. 15 divided by sine, how much it is? 19.29 is 45.406 is perfectly correct. 45, see if I take moment about this point, 30 into 2, then that cos horizontal component into cos into 1.4 vertical. No, something wrong. Anti-clockwise, anti-clockwise. Both are anti-clockwise. 1.4 correct? Oh, it is not 1.4. See, sometimes people make mistake. I also made a mistake. See, this height is not 1.4. Wrong. Here, that height is this height. See, C is here. See, C is here. D is here. We want this height. I told you, when this is 1.4, this height is 0.7. See, sometimes silly mistake. See, anyway, 1.4 is wrong. This is 0.7 meter. See, half of 1.4. See, I never got a panic. I know something is wrong. Whoever, see, it is actually early morning now, recording late night. I want to sleep. Suddenly, I saw 1.4. So, such observation mistake happens by me also. But I will not get into panic. See, I never got into panic. I know something is wrong because this answer is 100% correct. So now it is not 1.4, it is 0.7. Okay, now let me see the answer. Cos 19.29 equal to into 0.7 plus sine, cancel, sine 19.29 into 2 equal to reciprocal into 60. 45.406. Yes, plus 45.406. I told in my class there is absolutely no chance for me to get confused or getting panic. It happens sometimes. See, in oversight, so in a hurry, I took 1.4. See, sometimes those who are observing the recording, maybe they will comment. I will tell, wait. They might not have gone further. When I wrote 1.4 earlier, maybe they will stop and put a comment. It is wrong. I will ignore their comment because you should put a comment after going through entire class. If you feel it's a technical mistake, I will stop teaching. But this observation mistake, I am also a human being. Okay, perfectly correct. Now do one thing. Instead of wasting time, you write now. I don't know waste time now. Sigma V equal to 0. Take upward positive. See here. Plus PDB plus PDE sine 19.29 plus PCB sine 19.29 equal to 0. You will get an equation. Okay. Then sigma H equal to 0. When you make sigma H equal to 0, see here. Minus PCB cos 19.29 plus PDE cos 19.29 equal to 0, your PDE will come plus 45.406 kilonewton. Then substitute this PDE and PCB in the equation, you will get PDB equal to 0. Maybe 0 may not come, point not something may come, take 0 over. Now, beautifully answer is tally. Now, if this question is given to me, suppose I go to an interview, imagine, I will run this one now. If at all I go to an interview and they will ask me, see, one pin jointed frame is there. Yes, so what? The frame is like this, they will tell. See, this way, some height they will tell here, both are pinned. They will tell both center come here, and then see they will tell this is 2.4 meter. These are 2 meter. There is a load of 30 kilonewton here, and then one more member is here. You find axial forces, see, hinge in all the members. They will ask you how much time you require. I will tell 10 seconds, okay, or little more. Don't count seconds now. Okay. Or 2 meter, 2 meter. Or how many pages of paper you want? I told no paper required. See, 10 seconds I told to get the answer. Writing may take 5 seconds more. I will tell direct answer without doing anything. See, why means I will ask them, you asked me answer. I am giving answer. 1 point, this is 2.4. Yes, no, this is total 2 point, how much? 8. I don't think. 1.4 divided by 4, angle I will get. Shift tan inverse answer 19.29. 15 divided by sine 19.29 equal to. Same here, same here, same here. Over. Why? Why you don't ask? You told, you solve. I will tell. I will explain why. Can you understand? That is an arrogant way of answering. I won't tell that way. But first of all, I will not go to interview. If at all it goes to that level, I will tell him. I will explain. Then frankly tell me, can you understand? Then he will tell, no, you better go. Okay, leave it now. Just for fun I told. Thank you. Study all the questions. Next class, other type of questions will be continued. We are approaching almost end of this chapter. Then we are going to strength of materials.